My favorite book
My favorite book
is
is
about
about monsters.
Monsters. Okay. Are you scared of monsters?
No, they're not real.
Okay, that's good. Who's the most powerful in the world?
T-Rex?
No. The one who
Um,
created us, the one who guides us and loves us.
Jesus.
Papa Jesus. Okay. Who is the mother of Papa Jesus?
Mama
Who
Mary.
is the father of Papa Jesus?
Mama, the angel.
No, it's Papa Joseph.
It's Papa Joseph.
Mm-mm.
Papa Joseph.
Very good. Where does Papa Jesus